the ultimate lip look for every day. If there is one lipstick duo that I always reach for pretty much every day, it's this duo. A lip look that's great for every day, every occasion. This lifts my whole complexion. It goes with everything in my wardrobe. It doesn't look too much, but it gives my lips a bit of oomph, which on a drab day, these two are always gonna have your back. I think you're gonna be really pleasantly surprised at how much it defines your natural lip shape, making your lips look fuller and plumper. Wearing this lip duo together on any given day is a complete dream. I'm pretty sure that when you own this, you're gonna become just as obsessed with it as I am.